Shalom, everyone. Today we'll be looking at the word Bereishit, the first word of the Torah, in the beginning. And we'll look at it through the lens of what's called Mispar Katan, reduced numerology. Meaning that, for example, if the letter Resh equals 200, it's reduced to 2. Or the letter Chaf equals 20, it would also be reduced to 2. So let's look at the word Bereishit in Mispar Katan, reduced numerology. So the Bet equals 2, the Resh equals 200, but that reduces to 2. Aleph equals 1. Shin equals 300, is reduced to 3. Yud equals 10, reduced to 1. And Tav, the last letter, equals 400. It's reduced to 4. So if you add up 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 equals 13. So what can we learn from this? Because every form of gematria reveals hidden ideas. So there are two very important words that equal 13. One is ahava, love. And the other one is echad, 1. So here we see in the first word of the Torah, two of the most important concepts of what goes into creation. First of all of creation is a sign of God's love for his creation. God wants to give, is benevolent, but has to have a recipient. So the world, the universe, creation, is the recipient of God's love, ahava. That's one of the motivations of creation. One, echad, is God's oneness. And even though we look at the world as a pluralistic world, ultimately underneath everything is God's oneness. The other thing of 13, which is very important, is when God made a covenant with Abraham, the word covenant, brit, appears 13 times. And the sages tell us that God made 13 covenants with Abraham. So what can we learn from this? Abraham spread the oneness of God, that was his mission, and the love of God to this day. So Bereishit equals 13, love and oneness.